Hello everyone, today I came up with another video. This video is about WordPress. So, if you are new to WordPress and if you want to know how to install or remove a plugin, so you are in the right place. Okay, let me show you. This is my website, chalmish.com. So, I'm going to show you how to install or remove a plugin from this website. So, uh, when I'm going to my backend of my website, you will see on the left panel there is a option called plugin. So over here you can see the plugins I have already installed, and over here there is a button called add new. So if you click add new, then you will see the options will come. There are two ways you can install a plugin in your WordPress. First one is you can choose from this search option over here. You can just type any one. For example, see, you can see the suggestion at the bottom, all the plugins WordPress telling me. So this is one way. You can type any plugin's name, or you can upload a plugin. Like when you click upload a plugin, then you can choose a file. This is a zip file, so the format file. You can just upload it from your computer and you can install it, or you can go with the popular favorite. It's up to you. Like if you are not looking for any specific one, if you don't know the name, then you can actually search this way. Now all you have to do is when you select a plugin, for example say Yoast plugin, so all you have to click install now, and it will be installed in your WordPress site. And then after you install it, you will see, for example say if I click installing, uh, when it will be installed, you will see there is a option is showing activate. So when you will activate this one, the plugin will start to work for your site. uh, let us wait for it to install. So as it is installed, you see it's activate options. I'm not going to activate it as because I have another plugin used is SEO plugin, so I am using rank math, so I'm not going to use this one, so I'm not going to activate this one. Now if you go to all the plugins that I have, install plugins, you will see the plugins I have over here. So I just installed rank math, sorry, Yoast SEO. It should be at the bottom. Yes, this one. So see, if I click activate, it will start working for my site. Now if you want to remove one, like if it is already activating, so see the other one which is already activated, there is an option called deactivate. So you have to click the deactivate button, and it will, after you deactivate it, it will show this way, activate it. And then if you want to remove it, just press delete option, and it will say yes if you want to. So it is going to remove the plugin that you have installed. And this is how you can install a plugin and also remove a plugin from your website. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and interesting, or if it is somehow come to your help, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.